Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Mayes County in northeastern Oklahoma until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, Siloam Springs, Jay, Bella Vista, Lowell, Pea Ridge, Gentry, Tontatown, Bethel Heights, Gravette, Cave Springs, Decatur, West Siloam Springs, Colgard, Kansas, Highville, Gateway. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes Interstate 49 between mile marker 65 and 93. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.